A few moments later.
I am hungry. Now I came to McDonald's to eat.
Later.
Hey boys and girls, I came to Megadi here and I'll show you my Megadi toy collection. Just like the Ben 10 Friends video. Come on guys, here is the Megadi kitchen playset. Here we have some cooked steak and over here we have some uncooked steak. And we have to put this here and then wait for some time, then it will come here. Now let me show you another. Tails from Sonic. He can't do anything but he's nice a figure. This is Panda. You can see that he can go like, if we do one leg, his other leg can go by automatic. Here comes Croc. You can see he has a very sharp jaw and he is very cartoony. Oh guys, I got the Megadi meal. And here is Tomato. Not Tomato, Mario. Mario Browsers. And he can do this. Here is Penguin. There's nothing much to do with him, just like this and fix it and draw. Oh, here we have the fox, angel fox. If we press this button here, his wings come up. Next, turtle. He can just move his arms and legs, nothing special.
Oh no.
This is the stingray. He can move his tail, nothing special for
Oh no.
Here is Shadow from Sonic. His tail, and I painted him, but he looks like powerful. Nothing special.
What?
Here is Tail from Sonic. I already showed him back, but I want to show you again so you can remember him. Okay guys, now I am taking my Planet McDonald's Happy Meal. And look, I got this. I think there's stickers and crayons. I'll do it later at home. And now I am eating my meal. Okay, now is...
Oh my god.
my french fry. Thank you for watching my vlog. Bye. Support me and love you.